Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's vlog is mag-unbox tayo ng t-shirt sa Uniqlo. Ito po ay pasalubong ko para kay Doc McNally. Ayan. So, i-unbox na natin. Taran! Ito po siya is let's go somewhere. And then, isa pa meron kaming Twinnie, Planet Twinnie. Ayan. And then, ito din for me. So, ito try ko na siya. Let's do the try-ons. Oh, MJ, ang laki. Ito yung small nila na napakalaki. Sunday morning. Hey, 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 it's a beautiful day. Beautiful Sunday. Diba yan? So, maganda siya, guys. So, meron siyang dalawang t-shirt. Beautiful day. And you say that. So, ayan. So that's all for today's video, guys. See you again on my next